Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we're going to have a look at all you need to know about bad fuel pump. A failing fuel pump can cause a range of frustrating issues, from a hard start car to a complete breakdown on the road. Because it's responsible for delivering fuel from the fuel tank to the engine, any problem with it will directly affect your car performance and your engine output. Well, let's have a look at some of the comprehensive things that you need to understand when it comes to bad fuel pump. The symptoms of a bad fuel pump can sometimes mimic other problems like a clogged fuel filter or a dead battery. However, there are some very specific symptoms that can indicate a problem with a bad fuel pump. For example, if you hear a whining noise from the fuel tank, that is more probably caused by bad fuel pump. A loud whining or howling sound coming from the area of the fuel tank, which is different from the quiet hum of a healthy fuel pump, indicates a problematic fuel pump. So, this is when the pump's motor is worn out or when there is contamination or low fuel causing it to work harder than usual. So, if you hear any whining noise, abnormal whining noise coming from the fuel tank, that's an indication of a fuel pump that is going bad. The other symptom is difficulty starting. If the engine cranks for a longer time than normal before starting, or it may refuse to start at all, that can indicate a problem with the fuel pump. A weak fuel pump cannot build up the necessary fuel pressure in the fuel line to get the engine going quickly, and that will require frequent attempt in order to start your engine. So difficulty starting the car can also be attributed to bad fuel pump. Engine sputtering or stalling can sometimes be an indication of bad fuel pump. The engine sputters, especially at high speed, or the car stalls while driving and then restarts after sitting for a while. This is basically because when the pump is failing to provide a steady, consistent stream of fuel to the engine, if it restarts after cooling down, then the pump motor may be overheating. So that is another indication of a fuel pump that is going bad. Loss of power under stress can also be indication of bad fuel pump. This is when the car feels like it has no power, or sometimes it chokes when accelerating, when going uphill, or when carrying a heavy load. This is basically because the worn fuel pump cannot keep up with the engine's increased demand for fuel during these high stress situations that can cause the engine to lose power under load. Vehicle surging can also be indicative of a bad fuel pump. The car surges or jerks forward unexpectedly at a steady speed, as if you are pressing the gas pedal. This irregular resistance inside the pump motor can cause it to push varying amount of fuel to the engine. This can cause the vehicle to surge. Engine speed will be not smooth, it will fluctuate. So that is an indication of irregular fuel supply to the engine. And the other common problem is when check engine light is illuminated on your dashboard. The check engine light appears on your dashboard if the electronic control unit detects a problem with the electric fuel pump. Low fuel pressure or lean air fuel mixture, when there is too much air or not enough fuel, this basically caused by weak fuel pump can trigger the car computer to turn on the check engine light. Now let's go ahead and discuss what can actually cause the fuel pump to fail. Fuel pumps are basically designed to last often for 100,000 miles or more, but certain habits or conditions can shorten their lifespan. The most common things that can cause the fuel pump to fail include frequent low fuel driving, fuel contamination, clogged fuel filters, and electrical issues as well. The frequent low fuel driving is often one of the fastest way to damage your fuel pump. The fuel inside the tank will help the fuel pump to cool down and lubricate. So cooling and lubrication of the pump is done by the fuel itself. When you consistently run on nearly empty tank, less than a quarter full for example, the pump can overheat and wear out prematurely. The other thing that can cause the fuel pump to fail is contamination inside the fuel. Dirt, rust, and water inside the fuel can cause the fuel pump to fail prematurely. This can act like sandpaper, wearing down the pump's internal components and causing it to clog or fail. Using low quality fuel can also lead to a buildup of clogs. this type of contamination, sludge buildup in the fuel, all this can prevent the fuel pump from functioning properly. Clogged fuel filters can also cause the fuel pump to struggle. If your fuel filter is clogged, it forces the fuel pump to work much harder to push fuel through the engine, placing it under constant strain. Replacing the fuel filter at recommended interval is a good way to protect your fuel pump. And like any other mechanical part, fuel pumps simply wear out over time. So normal wear and tear can also make them to fail, especially in high mileage vehicles. Electrical issues can cause problem at the fuel pump. Sometimes the problem isn't the pump itself, but it could be caused by a blown fuse or a faulty fuel pump relay or a wiring problem that prevent it from getting power. So these are some of the basic things that can cause the fuel pump to go bad. So what can you do if you suspect a problematic fuel pump? Well, the first thing, don't ignore it. Driving with a bad fuel pump is very risky. It can also lead to sudden stalling while driving, which is a very serious safety hazard and can also cause further damage to your engine. While checking the fuses and relay is a good first step if you suspect the fuel pump is not working at all, fuel system diagnosis is best left to a professional. A mechanic will use a fuel pressure gauge to test if the pump is producing the correct pressure, and this is the most reliable way of confirming a faulty fuel pump. So anything that can restrict fuel passage can mimic a problematic fuel pump. So professionals can diagnose and pinpoint what exactly is causing the fuel problem. Replacing a fuel pump is a very complex and potentially dangerous job if you are not a trained professional. It involves working with flammable fluid, fuel, and often dropping the heavy fuel tank. And unless you are an expert or a DIY mechanic with the right tools and a safe workspace, it is strongly recommended to have a professional technician do the fuel pump replacement. If you plan on replacing the fuel pump replacement is not expensive. It typically ranges for most modern cars. You can replace it from $750 to $1,300 for fuel pump replacement at a repair garage. The fuel pump part itself typically costs between $300 and $600 for some vehicles. The pump is sold as part of a larger assembly, including the fuel level sensor, which can increase the part cost sometimes. Sometimes you cannot get the pump motor individually. You can find it as a set. When you look at the labor cost, labor to replace the pump is often similar to the cost of the part itself, ranging from $500 to $600. This is because accessing the pump can be very difficult. In many cars, the fuel tank has to be lowered to reach the fuel pump, which is time consuming. So, luxury vehicles and modern vehicles with some complications, particularly those hard to reach fuel pump types, will cost more, and dealerships also tend to charge higher labor rates than independent mechanics. So these are some of the things associated with the cost of replacement. Well, the cost actually depends on where you live and how cheap you can get the part. So these are some of the things that you need to know when it comes to a problematic fuel pump. I hope this guide helped you understand what's happening with your car. That is all we have for you in this video regarding some of the things that you need to know associated with a bad fuel pump. Well, if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, do consider subscribing, turn on notifications so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe and drive safe.